Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gatsby long-lasting moisture. To begin, ensure your hair is clean and towel-dried for the best results. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the cream, roughly 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter, and place it into your palm. Gently rub your hands together to spread the product evenly across both palms, preparing it for application. Next, work the cream through your hair, starting from the roots and extending all the way to the ends. Pay special attention to any areas that tend to be drier or require more hold. Once the product is distributed, you can then style your hair as you prefer, using either your fingers for a natural look or a comb for a more defined finish. Gatsby Long-Lasting Moisture offers several fantastic benefits for your hair. It provides deep, enduring hydration without leaving any sticky residue, ensuring your hair feels light and natural. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, look sleek, and have a beautiful, natural gloss. Plus, it effectively helps to control frizz and keeps your chosen style looking great throughout the entire day. For the best results, remember to adjust the amount of cream you use according to your hair's specific length and thickness. If you need a quick refresh or touch-up later in the day, a tiny, half-pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. Always store your Gatsby long-lasting moisture in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its quality and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.